How to get 100k score on Block Blast 2025 method. I'm going to tell you how to get a 100k score on Block Blast using the 2025 method. Achieving a 100k score in Block Blast requires a blend of strategic planning, combo management, and efficient use of power-ups. One of the most effective strategies is to maintain continuous combo chains by ensuring that each set of 3 blocks result in at least one line or column being cleared. You can keep a combo streak alive, significantly boosting your score. Planning ahead is crucial. Before placing any blocks, analyze the board to determine optimal placements that will allow for future clears. This foresight helps in maintain combo streaks and prevents the board from filling up too quickly. Efficient use of special blocks and power-ups can also make a significant difference. Combining special blocks, such as rockets and bombs, can clear large sections of the board, providing more space and opportunities for combos. Additionally, managing the grid space effectively by keeping the center open and utilizing corners for awkwardly shaped objects can prevent the board from becoming cluttered, allowing for more strategic placements.